Koko Araisa. Koko rice. A main dish from Samoa. Serves 4. You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Put the rice and water in a large pot and bring them to a boil. Step 2. Add coconut milk to the rice mixture, or substitute anchor or carnation milk. Step 3. Add sugar and orange leaf. Mix cocoa with hot water to form a thick liquid and add to the rice mixture. Make sure the cocoa is fully mixed into the liquid in the pot. Bring to a boil. Remove orange leaf. Koko rice should be in a thick soup-like condition. Sweeten to taste. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.